On a walk with a purpose today. Heading back to work on the big brush pile that we didn't get to burn a couple of days ago. Randy and Rambo took the gator, so yeah, I'm walking. I see smoke, so they've already lit the brush pile. Rambo is definitely enjoying this spring-like day. He having a good time? Nothing like rolling in the grass. Hopefully it's just grass. Go, boy, go. That's good-sized brush pile to burn. There's that big tree. You might have seen him load up if you watched my preview, but he's had a lot bigger piles than this in the past. Progress so far. We're going back to the house. I'll be back to check it out later. It's going to take a while. Rambo, you coming? Looks like I get the gator seat today. Here we go again. Heading back to the field later the same day to work on the burn brush pile some more. Rambo's on the gator with Randy, so I'm gonna walk. I've been way too sedentary today. Sedentary. Which one is it when you sit too much? I've been sitting too much today. Yep, they got the brush pile burning good tonight. This morning he worked on burning this section, and now he's working on burning that section. Buddy. Those are pallet forks he has on the front of the tractor, if anybody's wondering. And he's using them to push the brush pile in closer to the center to get a better burn. He says pallet forks are a great thing to have. Randy decided to saw up that tree, make it easier to burn. First he's cutting off the now he's sawing it up into smaller pieces. Even after Randy sold the cows back in, I think it was October, There's still always something for him to do. Always something for him to be working on. Brush pile is going really good now. Well, hi, Rambo. I'm sitting on the gator and Rambo. Ow, you're killing me with your big feet. Rambo just joined me. He doesn't realize that he weighs 70 pounds and you're squishing me. All right, get down. Get on your own seat. Get in your own seat. Go on. Get in your own seat. This is all we're going to do tonight. We'll be back at it tomorrow, I guess.